What do you mean by living your best life?
This is living your best life.
Yeah.
I still remember Marcus with those suits when he used to go up and all these videos, how he used to talk, and then I used to see that time Marcus Lehman and John Tartle and all those people, and I used to say, wow, where these guys have come from? They are living, meaning I didn't know the nomenclature in your Herbalife universe, but I thought, Jay, that they are living their best life.
Yeah.
You know, people who come with lot of dreams, people who come with lot of inspirations, like me, but have no vehicle
Yeah.
to reach anywhere. For them, Herbalife becomes a vehicle.
Hello, namaskar, Kem Cho. My name is Jay Pathak, and welcome to our first episode of our podcast, Make Your Mark. So what is this all about? This is about knowing a leadership a little bit better, a little bit more about their information, the years of experience that they have in Herbalife. Will get into their inner feelings and a lot of other things that we will be talking about. And why should you listen to this? This is going to be a roller coaster ride. This is going to be a tsunami of information that you will get. A lot of wisdom, a lot of insights about Herbalife, their life, and a lot of other things. So keep watching. Make your mark. Okay, hello, how are you? And good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are. Namaskar. Thank you so much for joining this podcast, our first podcast actually, and I'm extremely happy, extremely joyous, because we have one of the living legends in Herbalife, and we have a big leader. Everybody look upon it to him, and none other than our International Executive President Teams 30K, Mr. Sandeep sir. Sir, thank you so much. Thank you, and I'm extremely happy that we are here today, and thank you for becoming my guest for the first podcast, sir. So what it's been quite some time that we know each other, and I know that there are a lot of other things that I want to ask you, and we want to really explore the unexplored Mr. Sandeep Kerkar here. So if you have to start with, and something that we very close that we have in our Herbalife journey, is that one thing that we always keep on saying: live your best life.
Yes.
So, Sandeep sir, how is that you would define this sentence as? What do you mean by living your best life?
This is living your best life.
Yeah.
So
Yes,
thank
sir.
you very much, Jay, for inviting me on your first episode.
Thank you,
And
sir.
I wish that not only this episode is successful, lot of coming up episodes are also successful.
True, sir.
We
Thank you so
really
much.
create best life for everybody who is involved in this podcast,
Yes.
everybody whose thoughts have gone, the team which have worked for this, and everybody who's going to watch.
Yeah.
So thank you very much. And this is what Herbalife, meaning what else you can want.
Yes.
Meaning when people see podcast of other people on social media and Instagram and everywhere,
True.
and you see Herbalife is, I always say Herbalife is one package deal. Now I'm doing the podcast. This is my first podcast.
So for me also.
Oh, wow, amazing.
So we have never done this. So this is the first time.
You know, people who come with lot of dreams, people who come with lot of inspirations, like me, but have no vehicle
Yeah.
to reach anywhere. For them, Herbalife becomes a vehicle.
True.
And meaning, I cannot see anything. I always used to say in my training, what does Jay, any person wants? Meaning, when I was big cars,
Yeah.
boys particularly, they want their toys.
The big cars, the big bikes.
Yes, you know, boys want big cars and big toys.
Yeah,
and
true.
dream came true for me. Meaning, you name a brand, I own it.
Yes.
You know, it is Mercedes, it is Audi, it is Range Rover. It is really unbelievable, and we never thought. I remember when I first my mother's house, and she said, "Don't come here in Mercedes." Because people around here will start thinking bad about me and bad about us and all those things. So you stay Don't come here in Mercedes. So that is what background I came from.
Yeah.
And that is why live your best life. Plus, what do boys want? Boys want best body. Boys want health. Boys want, meaning I have an aim that I want to create six-pack.
Oh, wow.
And
Wow.
that is something, meaning where would you get it?
Yes.
Meaning otherwise you tell me six-pack, matlab what people can think. People can think you have to go to the gym, you have to do this and you have to do that. But you never know anything beyond that.
Yeah.
With Herbalife Nutrition, with this, it is fantastic. So living your best life is, this line came very late for Herbalife.
Yeah, true. It's a very recent one.
Yeah, it is actually, Mark Hughes taught us.
Right from the start.
From beginning, live your best life.
Yeah.
I still remember Mark Hughes with those suits when he used to go up and all these videos, how he used to talk. And then I used to see that time Marcus Lehman and John Tartle and all those people. And I used to say, wow, where these guys have come from. They are living, meaning I didn't know the nomenclature in the Herbalife universe, but I thought, Jay, that they are living their best life.
Yeah.
We as junior distributors, we used to look at their shoes, look at their clothes, look at their cars.
We are just in awe of what these
meaning that they were living their best life, and that is what living your best life is all about.
The other thing that you touched upon is very rightly, sir, our founder Mark Hughes, and there's one more philosopher that everybody looks upon is Jim Rohn. So if I have to ask you that, what is the motivation that you had when you started this business? I understand that it was a long time ago. How many years have you spent?
Now almost silver jubilee I'll do. Silver jubilee very soon.
So there are a lot of distributors who are watching this podcast right now. Few are like you, who have been working in Herbalife business for last more than 25 years, 20 years, 10 years. But there are a lot of people who are also very new, who are listening to us today. So they would also wanted to understand from their point of view is that what does that fire that is there, which has not not fizzled out in the last so many years. 25 years is a long period. People do have their careers in 25 years and they complete their careers actually.
Absolutely.
But when I look at you, you are just getting started right now. So what is that motivation that you had then? And what is the inspiration you have now also in today's world? So, and I'm sure you have seen decades. Things have changed a lot for you, for the business, for the country that we are living in. So how does that motivation of the fire still has, or you have that fire in the belly still? So how is that possible?
Wow, amazing. I think the fire in the belly is part of your system, number one. People with fire in their belly get into something where you said fire sizzles out or fire gets extinguished. That is the problem. But Herbalife is a fuel which will keep adding fuel to the fire.
Okay.
Meaning, I can tell you, everybody in my family, from my late mother to my wife, to everybody, they always many times say this. Now it is okay. Now what my mother used to say that what more you want?
Yes.
Meaning in Marathi she used to say, "Ata kashala boy kartoyes?
सगळंच तर आलंय तुझ्याकडे."
Tara shantara. This is what she used to say. So it is there. But like what you learn in your preliminary, that is what we learned, and we always learned from Mark Hughes that we are just getting started.
Sure.
So we're just getting started, and that is something which is very, very important. And that is something, and me and my wife, I remember we used to have this discussion, till when you should work. So you should not work definitely for money or something, but you should work till your last breath.
Yeah.
So till your systems are going on, till everything is going on, you got to work, and as long as you enjoy, which we do.
Yeah, we
Jay,
completely do.
I see how much you enjoy, meaning you were in a corporate, you were in, previous to Herbalife.
Yeah, yes, sir.
But I'm sure I have seen, because SDFC is my private bankers too. So I know how those people are. But how you are and how you have got involved, how you are, you have become like a distributor. So this is quite contagious, and that is what keeps sticking for all of us.
Yes.
And when I see your energy, like I was asking you that how come you got this idea, meaning you are all the time thinking about this.
Yes.
You got freedom here to do this, meaning we never believed that we are working for Herbalife.
Yeah, yeah.
We always believed, we as a distributors, we always believe we own Herbalife.
Yes, absolutely.
Meaning we
absolutely.
own Herbalife and we are the owners and we have to run it, and that is why if we are the owners,
Yeah.
we can't say, oh, I'm not going to work from tomorrow. That is number one.
Yes.
We can't say, oh, this is something which is not ethical, but let me do it because we are the owners. Responsibility of Herbalife lies with us, and that is something which is very good. And people respond so much. There are so many people who are not biologically part of my organization,
True.
but this is the word they have used. Sir, we are your non-biological downline. This is what they used to come and say.
Yeah.
So, we are attached to you and you are attached to us, and this
True.
is why we keep doing it for us. So with people like all this around,
Yes.
I think it is really, really great fun, and that is why.
No, so I was just mentioning that there are a lot of things that I also learned in last 4.5 years here. And I do remember when I joined, I was, as you rightly said, I was from insurance and banking background. And when I came in, and fortunately, I was being introduced to the leadership in one of the biggest events that we have in the start of the year, Spectacular. And I was in Jaipur. And when I went inside the hall and I saw about 8,000, 9,000 people screaming on top of their voice. And I was just surprised. मला वाटलं की काय म्हणजे सगळे वेडे झालेत का? म्हणजे what is wrong with these people? Because that kind of an excitement or that kind of joyous life, obviously we don't see it in the other career that I had.
Absolutely.
So it's a stressful thing in a toxic environment. But then here I saw the sea change in the way people greet us and with a lot of love and respect. So I was really taken aback that time. It was like a shocker for me. When I said, "Arey, ye sab kya ho raha hai karke?" But then I got used to it and got to understand. Met a lot of leadership like you and other leadership that we have. And I always tell that I am the most fortunate one because I have the most beautiful leadership in West region.
Absolutely.
So,
No doubt about it.
Not that I don't respect the other leadership. They are also very beautiful. But then close quarters working with the leadership, a lot of things that I have been working on myself also, and it has been discovery now which is happening.
Yeah.
So better late than never. But a lot of things I've learned. One thing that keeps on, we keep on noticing things is that the way you feel about Herbalife, as you rightly said, that we don't work because this is something that we enjoy. This is the way of life of Herbalife.
Absolutely.
We don't work here. So the way you feel, and I've seen that that feeling is not. How do I put it? But it's that feeling is not there in few of them, or they're just trying to discover this feeling, or they're trying to reach to that particular level where they get this thing that, oh, I'm not working anymore. So there are few who had certain difficult times in Herbalife, the few who had a beautiful run, okay, in the last, and as you know that in the last couple of years, a lot of leadership and a lot of our distributors had a beautiful run because of whatever the X reasons that everybody knows about it. But when you're looking at somebody like Mark Hughes or say Jim Rohn, or now we have our MOJ, how do you, or what is that you look forward to when you're looking at them? Because you have heard them, met them, learned from them. So anything that you want to tell our audience on what is that one, सब कुछ छोड़ दो, ये चीज एक बार देख लो, सुन लो, पढ़ लो. What is that your recommendation would be?
See, if you see Herbalife legacy is actually so unbelievable.
And that is why you said very rightly, Jay, when you went in that hall of Spectacular, your reaction or anybody reaction is, who are these crazy people who are shouting at the top of their voice?
Yeah,
Okay, because Herbalife is not logical.
Yeah.
Logically, you don't make money like this. I have been the best in my earlier companies also.
True, sir.
As an employee and even as a business person.
Yeah.
But we never had this kind of money.
Right.
We sold a lot, but we made very little. And that was the difference what drew my attention towards Herbalife.
True.
Now, when you said about, I still remember how I stuck on to Herbalife is, is all because of Marcuse.
Okay.
I've never met Marcuse, but if I say this, I will prove it to you. It is all because of Marcuse.
Okay.
When I joined, Herbalife had a beautiful promotion that time to meet Marcuse in
Okay.
Los Angeles.
Wow. Yeah.
Unfortunately, I could not meet him.
Okay.
But I qualified for that promotion, and that promotion was 10,000 volume points 3 months in a row. And I said, yeah, I want to go to America and I want to see Marcuse and I want to see this. And I qualified for this. These 90 days, first 90 days of my career,
Yeah.
I worked so hard that I qualified. But because of that work, some of the people I recruited in those first 90 days are even around today, and they are into president's team and beyond.
Yeah.
And they have got beautiful organization.
True.
But that 90 days, if I had not put in the work, things wouldn't have happened.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you this, my first national event, which was in Bangalore, Marcuse made a call in the evening.
Okay.
Marcus Lemon, Doran Andre, and John Tartle, 3 chairman club were the speakers.
Yes.
And Mark, that was the only time I heard Marcuse.
Okay.
And on the phone he was talking. It was kya kehte na Sandhya Chaya. It was evening,
Yeah.
and he was talking.
Like a sermon.
Yeah, I'm telling you, and there are so many things he said. And one of the things he that time also said, and he talked about in that call, was 5 billion.
Okay.
And he was so committed, and he praised his leaders like Doran Andre and this and that. And I said, wow, this is something, meaning I come from actually distribution industry, and distribution
True.
industry, owners don't promote their distributors the way
Absolutely.
they do it here.
I've never seen that.
That was something amazing. And incidents like this, draw them closer to you, closer to you, closer to you. So what Marcuse really put in all the people like us that time is to stay on just for the legacy.
Okay.
And that is what he did.
Yes.
When Marcuse created that legacy, and then it became our legacy, and then, it was his dream, then it became our dream.
True.
And that's how it went on. Same thing Michael O. Johnson is doing now.
Yes.
Meaning, whenever you look into eyes of Michael O. Johnson, you will realize that he is not doing it for himself. His cause is bigger than anything else.
True.
And when you have a leader whose cause is bigger than all of us, bigger than even the company's cause,
Then it becomes a very large
it
thing.
It is really fantastic.
Yes.
And Jim Rohn, I cannot miss but say a few things. Jim Rohn changed my entire life.
Yes.
There were times when people used to say, I talk like Jim Rohn. I'm not thoughts like Jim Rohn, but my tone had become like Jim Rohn.
So that is what, a big take for our listeners also, that because you get into a business, unless and until you give more than 100% to anything, so be it even, say, whatever that you are doing, say if you're doing in, say, bodybuilding, for example, if you don't give 100%, results won't show. But I usually talk in my meetings also that people today, with the new generation also coming up, and because we have our span of attention very low because of these reels of 30 seconds, we keep on swiping. So the attention has gone down, and hence what the results also, they want quick. They want immediate results. They don't want to wait. They don't want to do the waiting game here. They don't want to do consistency. They don't believe in these things. Well, आज काम किया, कल मेरे को उसका result नहीं दिख रहा है. So they will be very unhappy in some way because they don't get the desired result in that time period, what they have set in their mind. So one thing that because our listeners are also, and we have a lot of new generation people coming in. So anything that you want to tell about what is the patience game here, or how much of consistency you need to have in this business to be successful. Now, successful has different meanings to different people. So, for example, if I get 2 lakh rupees a month, maybe I'm successful. The definition changes. So that is why. So the second part of the question is that we always talk about the why of the business. Why have you joined the business? So when you say today's podcast, you asked me that why you want to do this. So there is an objective towards this. So everything that we have is linked to an objective underlining thing that this is what I want to achieve. So when you joined, you had certain whys in your life. Now after 25 years of experience and being a very successful leader, does the why keep on changing it at every stage, or do you think that the why remains the same?
Why actually, terrific what you said. Absolutely right what you said about patience.
Yes.
That patience
is the difference between mediocres and the champions,
Okay.
and which will always be there. Now, if you see Sachin Tendulkar played for 24 years,
True.
and he played, meaning this is what I remember my father used to say, Nar karani kare to naraka narayan bane, which means a man, if he does something so well at a devotional level,
True.
then he becomes God. Naraka
Yes.
Narayan bane. So same thing is with Herbalife. So when you are doing your work, that work takes you on a next level. And I was actually lucky. If you are in an environment of a family of lawyers,
Yeah.
you tend to become a lawyer.
Yeah, true.
You somehow find
catches
a
up.
way, and so that environment of Herbalife is so unbelievable. So that is why you have to keep going back to that environment.
True.
And because of that loan, I had those habits of saving. So that saving accumulated. I saved money. And I remember, meaning I want to tell people this, since you said about patience.
Yes.
When you talk about getting into habits, you will get short-term losses. Like I had accumulated around 32 lakhs in one bank to pay off the loan, and that bank closed.
Oh.
So I had everything. I said, now I'll pay the loan, and then now I will sleep. Like I said, abhi kuch nahi karunga Herbalife, abhi main sab, because I had come for paying off the loan.
Yes.
And that bank got closed. I lost all the money, and you will not believe this. I had become, I think, president team at some big level, and I had said, "Abhi to main to bacha ban gaya. Abhi to so jaunga. Abhi kuch nahi karunga." But then I said, maybe, and this is literally I felt that way. We were so naive and about Herbalife.
True.
And we said, "No, maybe Mark Hughes has some
Different purpose for
different
you.
purpose for me and different objective for me." So I said, I need to work.
True.
And then after that, I never thought of stopping.
Yeah.
But because of this creating reservoir to pay off the money, I got some good habits of saving money, then investing money, and then seeing that money grow, and then that thing continued.
True.
So what I want to tell people is there is a lot of money in Herbalife.
True.
So don't stop here. So start creating income in such a way that you create a financial security wall around you and your family.
True.
It's not about your today's income. It's about what kind of financial security wall about you and your family. Like I remember there were days I used to tell people that you have to create 1 crore of financial wall. Now today the figures have changed. Now
Yeah,
it is 10
absolutely
crores.
changed.
You need 10 crores.
Yeah.
So if you don't have 10 crores, why would you stop from Herbalife? Meaning,
Exactly.
where would you get income like this?
Yeah.
You go out in the market, and if you work 8 hours, in the evening you will definitely get 1 or 2 customers, and you will take home, at least 2,000 to 4,000 rupees now.
True.
Where do you get 2,000 to 4,000 rupees, per day, income which is there? And then
Yes.
if you start teaching this is what all the, what we are doing, podcasters are doing, no? They're teaching
Yes.
what they know.
Yes, exactly.
And from there they're
Exactly.
making the money.
Yes.
And that's, Herbalife has done it. Herbalife is a pioneer in this.
So we have monetized on the things that we
Everything.
know, and that is where the whole
Everything
game
was,
changes.
everything. You
Yes.
don't need to stock the products, because products, some company
Not
does it.
required.
You actually don't need to do any accounts also, because you get to see everything on your
We do it for you. Yeah.
myherbalife.com. You don't have to do any training actually if you use it wisely. People like Jay, they are arranging all the training.
Thank you, sir.
Meaning you just need to plug and play in the system.
True.
And
true.
you can create the multiple crores of walls around you and your family.
Yes.
And why you should stop and why you should stop for this thing. Because though I am blasted for 25 years, but
Yes.
it could have been that, I would get distracted in between and I would lose out, but that is not there. And that is, yes.
So in your position where they had so much of loan and so much of stress, I can just imagine the kind of stress that you have gone
Yeah,
through at that
I'm telling
point in time. If there was anybody else, I am sure he could have left whatever that he was doing, or maybe he's declared his bankruptcy, or maybe he's just kind of a depressed guy right now. But this is where the magic happens, and that is what you also mentioned, is because of the association that we have, because of the people is so strong that we help each other with zero intentions of having anything in return. So that I think is the biggest takeaway for me, where I have seen people coming to me with absolutely zero intention, but leadership in fact, and advising me, Jay, ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा करना है, ऐसा करना, ऐसा करना. And they don't have any what you call objective or agenda, their personal agenda towards it. They are looking for a better good for the region, for the business,
Absolutely.
for India. So
Absolutely.
this is something which really excites me here. The other thing that you rightly mentioned now is that people do mention me, or maybe that's an assumption right now, but that they feel that they have arrived in life. Okay, so हाँ बस हो गया अभी, बस मैं I'm there. But you said that this is something which you will be doing it for years and years, or till the last breath, as you mentioned. So that is where I was wanting to understand that people who are here, who are listening to us, who somewhere feel that आता बस झाला, मी करतोय, चांगलं करतोय, और मैं जो कर रहा हूँ बहुत अच्छा कर रहा हूँ. तो how do you break this barrier in mind? Because I'm sure you also had arrived at this wall sometime in your career where you think that, as you rightly said, your mother also said, की अरे बस करना, आता काय किती करणं, झालं ना सगळंच आलंय तुझ्याकडे. So where is that window that which you kept open, saying that no, I want to really go ahead, and till now, after 25 years also, you're still working. So is there anything that you want to mention, that motivation thing, or one thought that you had in mind, or somebody who had inspired you even today, saying that nahi Sandeep, आगे करना है, कुछ और बढ़ना है? Is there anybody who is influencing you right now also?
Yeah, of course there are influences. There is absolutely no doubt about it. But if you see my structure of business, many of my top leaders in my organization are my circle of influence.
True.
My sisters are there.
Yes.
My wife is a active distributor.
True.
My sister-in-law is an active distributor.
True.
And so there are a lot of people. My uncle is at this age also, he's got unbelievable energy towards Herbalife, dreams towards Herbalife. So that since our conversation itself is Herbalife, my nieces are into very active Herbalife
Wow.
distributors.
Wow.
Like in our family, it is Herbalife is the ultimate career.
Yes.
Meaning it is no doubt in terms of this. And after, I'm sure this podcast now, everybody then they want to be in this podcast, one day. So this is there. So that is why you want to be a role model to all these people, number one. Number two, though they are not circle of influence, there are a lot of people in your organization. And you know that how Herbalife organizations operate.
Yeah.
They are family.
They are
Meaning
absolutely. Or sometimes I've seen it's more than family.
More than family.
The kind of feeling that
More
you
than
have.
family. More than family. Like sometimes, my friends call me for this dinner and that dinner because there is a void in normal people's life. There are no
True.
get-togethers available.
Yeah.
And in our life, there is get-together only.
Just sorry to stop you here, but one thought came in my mind. It is always that I have seen, and people mentioning it to me in as many words, कि सर पता नहीं कैसे हो गया, but हंसते खेलते काम हो जाता है.
हाँ.
So that is where the whole philosophy changes.
Herbalife में उसका एक word है जय.
हाँ.
उसको बोलते हैं event to event.
Event to event.
We don't have life. We do work event to event.
Yeah.
So there are events going on all around and there is something happening all around. So it is there.
It is never a dull day.
It is never a dull day.
It's never
It is never a dull day.
Yeah.
And that is why if you see, it is very easy to, lost cases also can be revived because of this get together.
True. And I've seen that.
So
a lot of people have revived their business.
Absolutely.
Maybe somebody had some different issues and all that. They had stopped doing it, or they were slow in doing it. But because of the association, because of the motivation leaders like you and other leaders that we have in India, they got revived again. So that energy came back, saying, "नहीं अभी मुझे कुछ करके दिखाना."
हाँ.
So rightly
Absolutely. करके दिखाना तो definitely, like you said, this is there. But I am telling you, meaning this is one more aspect of Herbalife.
True.
The get-togethers, like you said rightly, the work is never boring here.
Never. Sir,
There is. I remember last event I was there and we were having this qualification dinner, qualification lunch, and my favorite is jalebi. Though I don't eat now because I want to do something with my health and body. So, but that jalebi when we were having on that meal and all those things. So one of the get team now, he said, पूरा काम करके हम यहाँ पे आते हैं, पूरा निगेटिविटी लोगों से लेते हैं बट इधर आके ये ऐसा बैठते हैं आपके साथ सारा काम सारा वो निकल जाता है.
Exactly.
So that is what
Herbalife is
people
all
look
about.
forward about.
Yeah, absolutely.
Like I used to say during those trainings that I am your dustbin. You know, keep throwing your dust at me, but you go out, Baba, clean.
Clean, yes.
You don't carry that negativity in your mind. You throw all your negativity at me. I am your dustbin. I'll take all the dust, and then you go and be clean. And that is what is my job, I guess, today also.
Yeah,
Because I don't have to do it everything, but I do it definitely. I do it in terms of my retail recruit training promotion. But I see these people, all they want is someone, sometime, if we can take their negativity
Yes.
and give their positivity.
Yeah,
Give
yeah,
them,
yeah.
like somebody came and said, how can I do this business so well? I said, fix your schedule.
True.
If your schedule of production is in place, then your production will happen in schedule. But
True.
if you are sleeping late till morning,
Nothing
and if you are
happens.
not, nothing happens. So that is what Herbalife is so beautiful.
So if there is no plan, absolutely,
Yeah, absolutely.
nothing works
and
out.
then you stick to it.
Yes.
And like you said, Jay, very rightly, it need not be boring. But if you look at all the businesses around,
Yes.
businesses are boring, and boring businesses produce lot of profit.
Yes.
If you see all these things, they are all into routine. Now also, if you see the success of Herbalife, now also what is coming, what is said about,
Yes.
is because people have got into routine.
Yes. Exactly.
Earlier there was no routine.
Yeah. Yeah.
So now because of this routine, things are really happening in place, and people have to remember they have to stick to routine.
Yes.
And they cannot look for going away from routine. Routine has to be boring if it has to produce cash flow.
Yeah, exactly. And my boss always tells me, I know, wherever you find hurdles or wherever you are stuck somewhere, go back to the basics.
Yeah.
The answer lies
Very
in the
true.
basics. You
Very
do the basics right and everything falls in place.
Very
so
true.
very interesting time, sir, and a lot of things that you are telling me, which we are also discovering something new from Sandeep Kerkar, sir. So thank you, sir. One thing that keeps on, keep on coming in my mind, not because it is part of this, the structure that we have, the fame that you get from the leadership, from the distributors, from the community, from your own family members. I'm sure there are a lot of hurdles or negativity you start with, because when you start or you take decisions of doing something like Herbalife business, I've seen people coming back to me and saying that, "Arey sir, मुझे बोला गया था, अरे ये तू डब्बा क्या बेच रहा है?" So it is very natural, because we were being programmed in such a way that you are supposed to be an engineer, you are supposed to be a doctor, you do an MBA, you take a job, secure your job, and then you are settled in life. That is how the definition is being drilled down for so many years. But luckily now, with generation Z coming up and a lot of young people coming up, entrepreneurship, that thing has been catching up. And what else you can ask for when you're looking at your own business? The best opportunity is with Herbalife. So from your shift, because whatever we say, the generation gap always will be there. I have a generation gap with my son. I'm sure you also have your own thing. So, and I usually always tell, we are the most tucked generation in this country. Why? Because either we are not completely traditional, nor we are completely practical. We are somewhere in between right now. But then coming back to the question is that when you're looking at these younger guys, what is the advice that you want to give to these people who are starting this business now, in this generation, at these times in India? And what does an entrepreneurship involve? So there are a lot of other aspects to it. Somebody who said, okay, I'm owner of my business, I am done. But that is not the only thing. That may be a part of the entrepreneurship. So according to you, anything that you want to tell us?
Of course, I want to tell lot of things.
Yes, sir.
And I want to tell to everybody who's watching this, this is not about you.
True.
This is about your generation. Because your next generations, because the statistics says that the wealth what you build, usually in 3 to 5 generations, that wealth is spent off.
Okay.
Okay? Number 2, you want to create an image for your children that their father or their mother is a hard-working person. And you want to create that. Because I had gone to Philippines as a guest speaker, and I have a friend of mine We did a lot of things together in terms of president's team. She did little early and then 15K, 20K. So I was there as a guest speaker. And once the event got over, she said, why don't you come and stay with us? And I went to their house. And there I saw two things. Number one, I saw her children were reading fat books. So I asked, how come you are reading these books? So one boy with a specs, her son said, because Mama is reading books like this.
Oh,
Papa is reading books like this.
I am also doing
I
this.
am also reading.
So it catches up.
And my business was okay, but not going great that time. And I remember this is something not only for your children, for your organization children also this is applicable.
Okay.
And second thing what she said and what we got from there is your people will do what you do, not what you tell them to do.
Okay.
So you will have to
Great.
live that way. Like in my organization, in my family, all my second generation, they have been attracted for Herbalife.
Yes.
You know, my uncle and my sister and mine, all our children are part of Herbalife. And nobody told them you must do Herbalife.
Naturally it came in.
No, they took their own sweet time.
And took
They
them.
did this job, they did this thing, they said,
Okay.
no, Herbalife is this, Herbalife is that. We didn't say anything to them. We kept on doing our work.
Yes.
And I can see we kept on doing this work, and that is how it happened. And there are so many people in my organization who did the same. They were so focused. One of the senior leaders in my organization was told not to wear a button by family.
Oh.
And he said, no, don't take me if you don't want me to wear a button.
True.
Now the entire family does the business. You see,
Things change.
that is why it is our responsibility as Herbalife leader that if you feel Herbalife is good for you, it is definitely good for our children.
True.
That is why you have to drink shakes so that they drink shakes. That is why you have to make sure you wear the button, they wear the button or they wear the brand.
Sure.
That is why you have to talk to people passionately, like Marcus said. It's not about what you say, it's about how you say
Yeah.
passionately about Herbalife so that they get it. And that is how things are going to happen. So it is not about money. It is about the generations to come, what kind of people you are going to create. Because Herbalife produces the best brand out of a person.
Yeah, I agree.
The Herbalife's
completely.
principle is what? Look at, meaning, I haven't seen a company like this, changing people's lives.
Yes.
ऐसा कोई principle होता है क्या? ऐसा कोई company का principle होता है? मैंने कितने company के साथ काम किया जाए? Nobody has a principle like this,
Nobody.
changing people's life. Live your best life.
Yes.
ऐसा कुछ होता है? You know, so that is what, and now, you know, if you see what Ajay Khanna talks about and
Yes.
what Herbalife is talking about, we do only the right things.
Absolutely.
Now, why you want your children to learn something else? Herbalife is teaching them, changing people's lives.
Yes.
Live your best life, and we do only right things.
Yeah.
If you want this to get imbibed, you become just a spectator and get them into Herbalife universe by you being in the universe.
True.
That is why it is so important, and that is my heart jod ke sabko कहता हूँ, to be in the Herbalife universe. Because this is something which is godly, this is divine.
Yes.
You know, when you drink a shake, I always get a feeling that something divine
Is
I'm
going
using.
inside. Yes, absolutely.
And
Agree,
which is-
completely
which is
agree.
So unbelievable, actually.
Then I came in and I have seen a lot of stories, heard a lot of stories in trainings, and I meet people. And when I see these people changing, the true meaning of people, you know, changing their lives in Herbalife is where on the ground I've seen, जैसे हम लोग very popularly बोलते हैं rack to riches वाला story. I have seen it practically happening, and it is something which awes me even today. Not even health results. I understand that the opportunity that is there is for health and wealth both, but health may be astonishing results.
Absolutely.
Wealth may be astonishing results, but apart from these two, as a person that it molds you and the personality that comes out, and you develop so much of personality with being in Herbalife per se, listening to a lot of greats and listening to a lot of trainings and attending and meeting a lot of good leadership. You yourself also keep on changing, and it's a shapeshifter kind of
Absolutely.
thing, you know. And I've seen it myself as from being from the other side of the table, corporate also. I've also seen me myself changing, and when I see leadership, that is something which I am still very surprised on the. And I always tell my team also that the definition of perpetual optimism is equal to a Herbalife leadership. when if you have been, or the leadership has been completely optimistic about the future, about the business, about the present, and the way your energy flows out. Everybody is in a different zone altogether when we are together. And
Very true. I will tell you something, since we are talking, off the thing. Many times, not you, but many times Herbalife corporate, or Herbalife, some people who are involved used to say, your job is so hard. I cannot sell a single Formula One. How you are selling? And, with this kind of long face, they will say. So I will say, meaning in my mind, I'll say, why? What is hard in this? It is so easy. And I used to always think to myself, today I will voice it. I used to think, your job is actually so hard, meaning you have everything, but you can't sell.
Yeah. And this is very rightly said.
इधर तक खाना है, but तुम खा नहीं सकते. बोलो तुम ही खा के दिखाओ. You can't sell. मतलब secondary selling is, what kind of secondary selling? How will you enjoy? Because I like to sell. Somebody else, I'm sure you like to sell, and you sold a lot of things.
Always been selling something.
It is always, somebody else's job. We find it, little different, and that is what it is. So I think we are all cut out for right things. We are in a right way, and you are also in a right way, and we are all that support to each other.
So, do you think, sir, at Herbalife, as an opportunity or as a business opportunity, does it happen with destiny? Because somewhere I get a feeling that you don't choose to be a Herbalife distributor. Herbalife chooses you.
Yeah.
So it is in the same as, in spirituality, that you don't seek God, God seeks you.
Correct.
And that is where you have a different path altogether.
Correct. If you look at my life, if you look at today's podcast, if you look at my beautiful suit,
Yes.
if you look at all these things, meaning I actually don't think I deserve all these things, meaning what kind of situation I was, I don't deserve it. So I used to say that time very regularly. Now I don't say it. बोले जिसका कोई नहीं होता है उसका हर्बल लाइफ होता है. See, we were all gone and out.
Yes.
Meaning we had lost hope in our life. My friends, family, they said, this guy has no future. What will happen?
True.
Now, of course, I worked hard. Of course, I did everything what was supposed to be there. And of course, I kept on working hard. All this thing is there. But had I not got this opportunity, what I would have done with my skills?
Yes.
Now, it is very easy for me to say, I am this, I am that, and all those things. But imagine if Herbalife vehicle, and that too now, meaning I must thank that you have opportunity not only to sell, you have an opportunity to make other people also sell for you.
True.
And you get these royalties, bonuses, and all those things. What a wonderful opportunity we have in hand.
Yeah.
क्या कहते हैं, when all roads are closed, and the क्या बोलते हैं, world is throwing lemon at you. What do? You get a lemon, create a lemon juice out of it.
Yes, lemon.
And that is what Herbalife is done to person like me.
True.
And not only me. If you see, my parents were so proud.
Yeah.
That my two sisters are president's team.
Wow.
And it's not about just president's team, but they are actively doing it.
Active distributors.
It is absolutely fantastic. So it is really unbelievable. You see my wife, my sister-in-law, my son, everybody who's there, meaning we have some certain things. My younger son sometimes tells me, meaning he's so young, so he says, I can't work like Papa so much. Meaning he himself knows that what kind of work I am doing it at this thing. So this is
at this age, what efforts that you are putting.
No, it's not efforts, but it's I think there is a difference, Jay. We will have to, consistency and efforts.
Yes, true.
So that consistency that he sees, and once I told him, when he used to say, Papa, I hate this, I don't like doing, my younger son, Deep I'm talking about. So I hate this, I don't like doing it. So I said, see this, you have to eat I said, do you like eating the frog? He said, no, I will never eat a frog. I said, correct. That's why you have to eat the frog. That's how you cannot procrastinate. Whatever you don't like it, do it first.
Yeah, true.
So now languaging in our house is, Papa, I ate the frog. You see?
So I've done the difficult task.
Yeah, so that's the conversation where it comes from. It comes from Herbalife.
True.
So children are getting groomed right in the beginning. Meaning he never knew that color of milk is white. Because all the time my wife gave
Shakes.
Dino Shake. That time strawberry was not available.
It's only chocolate.
Only chocolate. So he is a Dino Shake boy.
Yeah. And I've seen him. He's a handsome boy.
Yeah.
We met in one of the cricket matches last
Yes.
time. So you're a big cricket fan also, right,
Yeah,
sir?
yeah.
Any team you are supporting now in IPL? Currently?
IPL, Mumbai Indian, yes, of course.
Dil se to Mumbai
They'll
Indians,
say
obviously.
Mumbai Indian. But IPL, when you say IPL, it is something the IPL outlook also changed
True.
when Herbalife sponsored it.
It's unbelievable, sir. Unbelievable world. So any fears you have, sir, now?
नहीं मुझे कोई चीज का
Good,
डर नहीं.
like
Because I will tell you something. That is again thanks to Herbalife.
True.
I have seen most other things in life.
Mm-hmm.
I have attended a lot of programs. I keep seeking answers to some of the obstacles or challenges in Herbalife language. I always keep seeking it. Not that challenges don't come, they come, but you overcome it. I remember when we started in Herbalife, first time one article came
Mm-hmm.
in newspaper which was against Herbalife.
True.
So all of us were shaken up,
Mm-hmm.
but then we got over it. Then some multi-level marketing started taking our people. Then I remember in a disguise, I went to that multi-level marketing meeting. I checked on what it is. There I checked on some Herbalife people also sitting there. So I knew the information. So I knew when you get a challenge, you don't lie down, you attack. Now, when the challenge comes, yes, you might feel fearful that time.
True.
But Herbalife has given you acumen to find a solution towards it.
Yes.
And we believe here, and all of us should believe, if there is a problem, there is a challenge, there is a solution.
True.
And if there is no solution, that's a fact. Accept the fact.
So we always say, or no, I have always learned in that way that when there is fear, there is lack of information. So you get informed, the fear will go off.
Absolutely.
People don't have information and hence they are feared about saying, "Arey ye kya hoga, wo kya hoga." Jabki information hai available somewhere. You just have to seek that information.
Very true.
And then the fear goes off.
Very true.
So that is
Very
how
true.
it is.
Very true. See, if you see, the life revolves around one or two guiding lines for me, and one of the lines what I always used to tell people is "latakte raho." So,
I use that word sometimes, not the word, sorry, the sentence. I have used it in my training, and the credit goes to you, and I give credit to you as well in the training. In my tap team meetings or wherever I go, so that said, Sandeep sir bolte hai, latke raho, kabhi na kabhi to pak jaoge.
Absolutely.
So वैसा.
And so that is something which is all of us need to remember and understand. We have to, and क्या कहते हैं, the suffering. You if it is there, fear is what? Part of suffering only.
True.
So even if it is there, why you don't have to be scared. So you have to be latakte raho. That's how we all build business.
Yes.
That's how things were not there. And that is why the second line, this is for me, myself, walking feet will find the road. We don't know where the road leads to, but you keep walking. Once you stop walking, then it is not
you
good
become
to-
stagnant.
Yeah, absolutely. Keep walking. Help will come on the way.
Yeah.
On the way.
On the way. But
But
at least
you-
you need to go. You can't stand still and
if you
ask for
stand
help.
and you are not on the way.
True.
You are in the parking garage.
So great, sir. Thank you so much for so much of information, knowledge. It's been a wonderful talking to you. One thing that I had in my mind and I wanted to ask you is, if you have to turn back the time cycle for you, and imagine that you are 18-year-old boy right now, what do you tell yourself? Or in the sense, I'll give you a little context because maybe it is like a little vague question, but something that as an 18-year-old boy living in today's time, what could you have told yourself, or what is that you could have said that what is that I want to do in life? That's one. Second is that we'll go to a scenario where you have a chance to relive all these years back, from age 20, for example, or any age that you want. Could you have done anything which is different than what you have already done?
Oh, great question, actually, and actually difficult question. But if you ask me, human tendency is not to expect the unexpected.
True.
So if I want to answer this question with this, then like Marcus say, I would not like to change a thing, because this series of experiences has made something out of me.
True.
So though it will be some sweet, some bitter experiences, but it has made me like this. But if you ask me, I always had a dream of becoming something to do in acting or direction or something like this.
Okay.
I was a radio voice artist.
True.
I worked for Doordarshan for a very, very long time, and sometimes they still show those programs there.
Yeah.
So, but I will tell you something. I remember, unfortunately, my mother showed my horoscope to somebody.
Okay.
And I come from a legacy. My mama, uncle, was a very renowned producer in Marathi stage,
Oh,
Mohan
wow.
Tundwalkar.
Okay.
So I grew up with him.
Acha.
I used to go for his, new launch of play and this and that and all those actors. I used to be around. So I had that. So I said, I am his legacy. I am his.
Yeah.
I am going to carry forward this, and they all believed that I would do this. But then one horoscope lady said, he doesn't have any career in film or acting.
Okay.
So that put me off, and I virtually left it.
Oh.
Now, so after that, I tend to not go and see horoscopes and things like that. I say whatever it is, I will try and change the course, but
Let's discover.
let's
Yeah.
discover.
Yeah.
So I am very happy with my life.
True.
It's a beautiful, magnanimous life what I have gone, because thanks to my parents, my family, my relatives, my wife, my children, my two beautiful boys. So everything is so fantastic. I'm really happy. The money, the financial walls, thanks to Herbalife, what I have created,
True.
everything. And earlier, at least, I had this dream of owning this and owning that. I have become now almost, you can say, Sufi. I have become, it is good. Now I want to see others grow and others to be in that level, and that is something I'm waiting. I want them to work hard like I did.
True.
And chase their dreams and things like that. So that is what it is. I'm very happy with whatever it is, and I have now, thanks to again Herbalife, the health, wealth, happiness objectives have changed.
Yes.
Now my conversation is, I want to, earlier somebody will call me and say, "Are yaar, tune kya phone kiya? 100 saal tu jiyega." If somebody says, I say, no, Baba, what 100 years, what I would do. But now I'd say, "Are 100 saal nahi, mujhe 120 chahiye." So I'm trying to work on my body. This is my
True.
biggest objective.
True.
I am trying to work on my homes, how beautiful my homes can be. And I'm trying to build on my wealth.
Yes.
So that is something, and it has no purpose. Why I want to build wealth? It has no purpose, but I want to build it. When I tell figures like my private bankers that I want to build this 2,000 and 5,000 crores. If I do it, then why not?
Why
And
can't
all
we
those-
do that?
They look at me like this, but then this is there in my mind. I do not know how it is, but then I have a purpose to do it.
Yes.
I have a purpose to do it. I'm reading a lot of things on finance, investment, meaning sometimes this, again, thanks to Herbalife, because I used to say this.
Yes.
I said, why to manage money? And how to manage money? When people used to ask, I used to say, first make money. Then you
Then
can
manage.
manage money.
True,
So I
true
have
that.
understood this. All this aptitude I am getting towards finances because I am understanding how the dollar operates, how the forex operates, and what kind of things I need to do in terms of this. So I'm loving all these things. So I am full of objective passion in my life. Plus, add to this, I have this beautiful Herbalife universe supporting me. Like this extravaganza, I'm just waiting,
Yes.
to go and stay in my beautiful 30K hotel. I have to go back, meaning by mistake, I went and booked a hotel
other one.
in a president's team, and then the 30K came little later. So
We will change that.
No. I cancelled it, and then
Okay.
I will do it once all this. So it's a beautiful thing. Next
True.
March is Los Angeles.
Yes.
So many things to look forward to, and which is really unbelievable.
Yeah.
I'm sorry I cannot think of cars because all my parking slots are over. So
Bombay is just difficult.
Bombay or Kochi, and all these my parking slots are over. So which is really unbelievable. So it's a dream life. Meaning in my descendants, in my family history tree, nobody has life like this.
Yes.
So I would not, like Marcuse said, and again, we are all,
True.
Marcuse guys.
They
so
are
Marcuse
students.
has said very clearly,
Hello, guys. If I get a chance, I can tell you, I would not change a
Anything.
single thing.
I'll do the same thing
It is
again.
so beautiful with Herbalife.
It's a big message. It's a very important
Yeah.
message. Yeah. So you just mentioned that you have now developed a habit of reading into finance and a lot of books also that I'm sure. You have written a book, right, sir? So anything that you want to share?
Arey, my favorite topic.
Yes, sir.
This book, my first book, was a national bestseller.
True.
Health, Wealth, Happiness.
Yes.
And the second book is a story.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So I've been writing for last 10 years on meeting with prosperity concept.
Oh, good.
And then
Great,
it
sir.
came up that Tarzan comes to a house
Mm-hmm.
by accident.
Okay.
That story also you should read in the beginning, how Tarzan gets into the house
Mhm.
and how Tarzan transforms this family, makes them a family together.
Okay.
You know, they are suffering because of loan, they are suffering because of no job and all those things. How he transforms them with all these things and how he leaves them, you know, in metaverse, and how, you know, the entire family then takes the crusade of Tarzan of changing people's lives. That is the book.
Yeah.
So I always recommend all of you to read that book, and children should read that book because it covers everything. It covers happiness, finance, building wealth, and living long term.
Wow.
So which is really, really fantastic.
I'm definitely buying this
Yeah,
book now.
please do,
Yeah.
please do. It is a beautiful book. It is
Yes.
very close to my heart.
Yes.
And
So great, sir. So you have spent so many years in Herbalife, 25 if I'm not wrong, sir, right? So now 25 years in the past, how do you see Herbalife 25 years in the future?
if you go by figures,
Mm-hmm.
I would expect Herbalife to, in next 10 years, I would expect Herbalife to do at least 10x
From the current business that you're doing?
current businesses.
Mhm.
So everybody has to remember and understand that their first job is to go 10x
Hmm.
from now on. Now, how that is going to happen? With the same thing what Jim Rohn taught us, right? Jim Rohn taught us about retail also.
Okay.
He said, first is the foundation of customers,
Mhm.
and then the foundation of distributors, then supervisors and all those things. But the foundation is of customers. And we are in the right track, particularly the Indian market.
Sure.
We are in the right track in terms of building up the business through customers and building up and going further. But I always feel there is so much of goodness in Herbalife
Mhm.
that people are going to get naturally attracted towards Herbalife.
Mhm.
So I tell people in my meetings that today what you see at party, today you see what party, how they have grown, not just it's not a phenomenon of 1 year.
No, absolutely
It's
not.
decades these people have worked.
Yeah.
Has worked from Mahatma Gandhi's time and
Yeah,
freedom.
long
time.
history.
And earlier Janasangha, they have also worked. So Herbalife is going to become like this.
Hmm.
So it is just 25 years right now in India. But imagine Herbalife after 50 years. Imagine what is going to happen. It is going to be in thing. And we have not even started. Meaning they used to tell us it's a ground floor opportunity, but it is definitely much lesser than ground floor opportunity because by the numbers what we have, it is not even comparable with 140 crores.
Nothing.
It is not even comparable.
We just scratched.
So
right
we
now.
need to chase more quality in terms of products, quality of distributors, quality of customers, and real quality of service. Once that happens, I think things are really going to be. So I'm very, very excited the way Herbalife opportunity is going to unfold because we are into English-speaking market.
Yes.
Everybody is welcome here. And, we have got such a fantastic leadership today. Like I will tell you from this thing, when other MLMs used to come in the beginning,
Mm-hmm.
people used to come, sir, ye MLM aa gaya, wo MLM aa gaya.
Yeah.
That time, Maya was the leader.
Mm-hmm.
Maya was the president team. She was very beautiful. She had experience working in Japan and now she was working in India and all of us used to look at her. So I always used to ask people.
Mm-hmm.
I said, yes, there are other MLMs, but do they have Maya? They don't have.
They don't
So
have.
it's a character of a leader which builds the company.
Mm-hmm.
So as long as you have the character of a leader, the company gets that character.
True.
The organization gets that character. And see now what Maya initially created. Okay,
Yes.
God bless her.
Mm.
What has multiplied into many,
Yeah.
many folds. I still remember I was a supervisor. Maya came to Mumbai
and it was her supervisor school. Morning, it was a world team school. And I was asked to go out of that hall because I was not a world team. And that minute, more than me, my sister was with me, and she never believed that what her brother has got me here. But she saw her,
She inspired.
and she was mesmerized.
Yeah.
And we waited outside from the glass. हम लोग ना ऐसे देख रहे थे अंदर क्या चल रहा है. So these are the brands.
Yeah.
And Herbalife has enough brands now to build it further.
True.
So
True that.
it's going to be the big thing.
True that. And we are also really excited with the way market is behaving now. The opportunity that per se lies. India being a very growing country for so many years, and it has been growing. The way the government and the other things are also supporting the entrepreneurship kind of businesses. We are looking forward for a great future.
Absolutely. And one more data I want to give you and give the audience. 60% of Indians, that is almost 70 crores, this is the data. Their average wage is 2,500 rupees per month.
Okay.
So this is the earnings what people are, 70 crore people are.
Yeah.
How would you survive in 2,500 crore?
Nothing.
So you need proper training to these people, so how they can be entrepreneurs, how they can really bring goodness, and that's why I'm really क्या कहते हैं ना, very, very positive about the opportunity.
Yes.
What's going to happen.
So one more thing that I had in my mind is, I keep on asking all my leadership specifically that when you joined, you had a certain expectations of the income that comes in from this particular business. You achieved multiple levels, and now and we like who are in say the corporate side or from the salaried point of view, when you look at the Maslow theory that we famously read about, so we are in somewhere in the first quartile right now, the bottom quartile.
Who? We meaning who?
We, as in me.
Okay.
But when you're looking at the leadership who has earned a lot of money and wealth and a lot of creation has happened, what now? When I ask them, what is that excites you? Because you have been into best of the worlds, you have gone into best of the towns, you have a great lifestyle, you have eaten in the best of the restaurants, you can just pinpoint on what you want and you can just have it. So is there a sense of not contentment but a satisfaction saying that I have arrived, I have done these things, and now I don't need anything else? Because if that feeling comes in my thought process, what happens is that then getting into the next level or the next why or the next objective seems blurry right now, because you have achieved everything that you have wished for. So again, going back to the earlier question when initially I asked that what is that thing that you think, okay, this is where I want to do, and you mentioned something on saying that I have done it for myself, I have done it for my family. So there is a financial fort or a wall that you mentioned that you have created. But now the objective is to help others. So what you have achieved, you want others to also achieve. So where does that shift happen for a distributor when he thinks not only about himself but also about others? Does it happen very initially, or does it happen after when say your whys or your objectives have been met?
Yeah. Very true. Very great question actually. And that is absolutely fantastic point what you have said. And why is an animal which is like a chameleon. So this why animal keeps changing the colors.
True. I have seen that, yes.
So why keeps changing the color? When you are in the beginning, you were just happy. I was not even looking at will come to me, which will pay. I was just looking for the experience of Herbalife. Those beautiful yellow lights in these 5-star hotels. Come there, do the simply the best. Be with people. Go and give your story. Look at these foreigners and look at their shoes and look at all these things. That is what it was. Once you start building up the group, and once you start doing it, then you realize, okay, then there is the next level, then there is the next level, then there is the next level. So if you ask me the why keep changing, because you have to work on your why. That is again Herbalife teaches you. True. That you keep working your why, which is very, very good. All the famous people have said that you keep working on your why every day, and that is how it is. So I want to do so many things which are like one of the few of the things which I told you is in terms of my financial wisdom, creating that reservoir
Yes.
and making sure that things which will happen in 120 years and all those things. At the same time, I am working more of a legacy now.
Yes.
So that is why the book is a legacy.
Sure.
Whatever
Sure.
material I create, that is a legacy. That is
Yes.
something which it is. Part of it is I want to build a hospital. Okay.
Wow.
I want to build a hospital.
Very
And
noble cause, sir.
Yeah. It is exactly not a noble cause. I won't say it's a noble cause, but it's a part of noble as well as part of, I've seen people doing it, as well as part of legacy.
True.
So you have a hospital by your name,
Wow.
and then you are living as a legacy, and that is how it is. And at the same time, you want to really make sure that people who cannot get it, how you will able to do it. Now you need lot of systems for this. I have to figure out what are the systems, because I know money is available.
Yes.
And you don't have to wait for a long. You just need to system. And I know my manifestation, if it is in the right place, it will show up.
Absolutely.
It will show up. At the same
Absolutely.
time, I definitely want to. I have seen how those underprivileged children are worked upon in SOS Children Village and things like that. So I want to definitely, in between I was thinking, I want to take a van and go and give food to people. But then I was told that, there could be some issues, then food, what
True.
it is, how it is. So you need to really address it properly, then you can do. So I want to create shelter homes for old age people.
Wow.
Because I definitely know that people today don't deserve sometimes the life what they are going through. And if some confidence can be given to them in terms of their shelter homes and things like that, which will be very good. And if I can create a model which is self-funding,
that will be great.
Then it will be sustainable.
Sustainable
So
as
no,
well.
I don't have to go and beg to investors and to keep doing something. So those things which are there, and all these things are coming because of the prosperity which I have in mind. So definitely I want to make sure that when I see people eating pav bhajis and gulab jamun, I don't feel anything, but I feel sorry because they don't have a knowledge that there is something like Herbalife shake which is available, which can
that.
definitely full of vitamins, minerals, fibers, carbohydrates, and
Yes.
it can be a complete meal. So that is something I want to do, but income and so many things which can be done. So these are the whys which I am working upon, and that's why I'm getting detached, but still attached
Yes.
with all those things. So that is something. So it's not now anymore about, because I'm very happy with the way my life, God has given me the life and the beautiful family around. So it is fantastic, the beautiful organization. You see, we ask for someone like you in West region, and we have got it. So
Thank you so much.
What more you want? It is so beautiful, and whatever I can contribute. Because my original, if you see my flyer even now, my original objective was become the most benevolent and richest man from Mumbai.
That you are.
That was the objective in 1999, my first flyer of Get Team when it came.
Wow.
So it still remains there. So let's see how God shows me the way, and I'm very
So
hopeful for that.
long live, sir. One question I had in my mind is, what is that you think people should remember you as? We have a lot of Sandeep Kerkar's version. Somebody says it's somebody is a motivator, somebody is a book writer, author, whatever. But is there anything in your mind where मुझे लगता है मुझे लोग ऐसे नाम से जाने, मतलब now, later, future, whenever?
Okay. My mother always told me once I said, it was not about me, it was about somebody in the family. I said, this person is doing so well, and earning wise and this and that and all those things. So she said, it's not about being successful. It's about being nice. It's those things, those characters you need to have in your this thing. So my first thing, I would like to be known as being nice.
Okay.
That is something that, yes, this was a nice person, and that is something which I want. And most important thing is everybody should have a story that this is the person who touched my life in terms of this.
Yeah.
You know, that is where I saw it. That is where I got it. That is where I really wished it, it was like that. So the biggest thing for me is being that nice person, and the rest of the things will follow, because I think nice covers everything.
Everything.
And once you have that kind of thing, I think what it is and how it is, and plus I'm going to work on my legacies, whatever I could create. And which is like in Elvis Presley's word, it's a beautiful world.
It is absolutely, sir. So it's a very profound word, sir, and it was great talking to you. It was a new revelation for me as well. I have known you for last 4 years, but I've seen a different Sandeep today, and thank you for so much.
Thanks to you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks to you for taking out all these things, in such a beautiful environment. And what you're doing is really have a very long-lasting impact on Herbalife world.
Thank you, sir. Inspiration is all leadership. So thank you so much. Is there anything that you want to give us as a last message for this podcast today?
Okay. So first of all, thank you very much for having me
thank
here.
You so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much for having me here. And I think it is, what else, guys? What else? I always said, dreams without training is like gun without bullets. So if you follow these words and if you keep following the training, things are going to happen. Some of you who are watching this may be clueless about what this guy is talking about or what he is, but just wait till your time comes. So till the time, what do you follow? You follow the training, number one, and you follow your dreams. So keep working on your dreams and keep working on your training. Now, why training? Because dreams don't get you, meaning I realized from my life, I had a dream of paying off loan. But that was not getting me anywhere close to what I did. So many businesses before Herbalife, but it was not working. I was hopping from this business to that business. What got me to get close to my dreams achievement is my habits. So dreams don't make you successful. Your habits make you successful. And that is why training are so important. So keep going back to the training. Keep understanding what is happening. Keep focused on your life. And like Susan Peterson's word were always ringing in my mind. And she said, don't try and change the world. Try and change your bank account. Because I can tell you the only power in this world, I can tell you from my experience, is the power of your bank account. And if your bank account is in place, the rest of the things, nobody can bother you. Absolutely nobody can bother you. And if you're doing right things and if your bank account is taken care, then your health will come, your wealth will come, your happiness will come, right people will come across, right messages will come from the divine self, and you will get into the universe. So welcome to Herbalife.
Yeah.
And we are just getting started in Mark Hughes' word and what a universe he has created for us and for our family. I'm so happy and excited that all my family members are involved in Herbalife. All my organization and their family members and all my, friends and families, biological as well as non-biological organization is connected here. So it's a beautiful world. Just take on with it and life is going to be a celebration for all of us. Really, thank you.
Wow,
Jai.
sir. Thank you so much, sir. Once again, दिल से thank you. बहुत अच्छा लगा सर आपसे बात करके.
मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And guys, keep watching. We have few more episodes which will come regularly. But today's episode, I'm sure you had certain knowledge or information or things that you have taken away from today's podcast. I hope you have a great day ahead. Thank you. Let's go Herbalife.